Good afternoon, fellow gardeners. Today I am going to start weeding my main garden, the big one I have in the center of my yard. And the real big trick on is getting the weeds out without digging out the flowers that are starting to pop up, because I do have a lot of freely seeding annuals that will come back year after year that are really pretty. So I've got to be real delicate when I go through weeding. I've got some coreopsis that is coming back. You can see right here is the coreopsis, a yellow type. Nice pretty flower that really does freely seed and comes back quite a bit. There's a clump of it there, but they're a pretty yellow flower in the summer if you like to have a yellow in your garden. And as you can see, the sedum is starting to really pop out now too, so it's time to trim the other sedum over there back and let the new sedum start to pop up. You can see a whole bunch of little coreopsis flowers, not the flowers, but the plants starting to come up in between all the weeds. So I've got to just gingerly work my way through the garden and do a little bit of mulching on this garden. Well, I sometimes mulch it. I don't mulch it as heavily as I do the front garden because of the flowers that are coming back. The front garden I have mainly perennials, and out here I'll have annuals, a mix of annuals and perennials. So I'm going to get started on this, and this is going to take a good time, more than a day, for me to get across the whole thing. But it's time to get started. I can't believe it's the end of February and it's 80 degrees, but it's going to be nice. Got Benji over there. Well, we went around the corner and he's going to be helping me doing a little gardening too, I'm sure. But this is going to look really pretty later this year. Happy gardening.